Hi friends, welcome back to Playtime Creative Time, and we're gonna be drawing together. In this video, we're gonna be drawing a seahorse. First, let's draw the head down, the body, and then the tail. It's a trill at the tip. From the tail, we go up to the body and the snout. Then we're gonna connect it, that's the head and the body. Draw an oval or a circle for the eyes and also the rosy cheeks. Inside the eyes, draw two small circles and envelope it with another circle. Next, draw pectoral fin, just like that. And then let's go to the body. Draw the tummy or the keel, and that's where the brood pouch is for the male seahorse. And then let's draw the dorsal fin at the back. Draw the coronet just like this. Start from the head down the back. Just curve, 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 and getting smaller. Now let's draw the pattern of the body down to the tail. And the last, the pattern on the fins, both fins, dorsal fin and pectoral fins, and also the coronet. And it's done, we are ready to color. I'm using pink for the rosy cheeks and black for the eyes, while for the seahorse, I'm starting from the tail with purple and then pink and continue with light pink. I'm gonna color the fin first with blue and also orange. So the outline, it's blue. And then I'm gonna continue it later on with orange. Now I'm continuing the body with dark pink and light pink. Just this part where the head and the tummy, we're gonna use yellow. Now the fin and the coronet, it's blue and orange. And then let's continue the body. The tummy and the head are yellow. Now it's done. What a beautiful seahorse. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.